I'm trying to learn how to paint watercolors, and these are some of my paintings. They're not great, but it's a start. In order to learn how to watercolor paint, I've been watching a lot of YouTube videos. There are 3 particular artists that I really like. This is how I'm learning to watercolor paint.
Welcome to my channel. My name is Emma and I'm going to teach you about Watercolor Basics. You're going to need watercolors in a watercolor palette. You are also going to need a brush.
And basically you just want to do thicker curved lines, and I'm going to take that color that I already laid down and use that to smear down into my petal shapes.
So we're going to do I think some cosmos or coreopsis, and I'm going to add a little bit towards the top. This is a field of wildflowers.
I hope you enjoyed this little video, and if you're interested in watercoloring, check out YouTube.